Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make sushi at home. Start by rinsing 2 cups of sushi rice thoroughly until the water is completely clear. This step is crucial for achieving the perfect texture. Then, cook the rice with 2 1/4 cups of water, following your rice cooker's instructions or stovetop method. Once cooked, gently fold in a seasoning mixture of rice vinegar, sugar, and salt. This gives your sushi its signature flavor. Next, prepare your fillings. Think about fresh, high-quality ingredients like thinly sliced cucumber, avocado, or your favorite sushi-grade fish. Cut everything into uniform, manageable strips about 1/4 inch thick. Now, place a sheet of nori, the shiny side facing down, onto your bamboo rolling mat. This provides the foundation for your delicious rolls. With your nori ready, gently spread a thin, even layer of the seasoned sushi rice over about 2/3 of the sheet, leaving a 1-inch border at the top. This border helps seal the roll. Then, arrange your chosen fillings horizontally across the center of the rice. Don't overfill, as this can make rolling difficult. Now for the fun part, rolling. Use your bamboo mat to carefully lift the edge closest to you, rolling it tightly away. Apply gentle, even pressure to create a firm, compact roll. Once rolled, moisten a very sharp knife with water and slice your sushi into 6 to 8 uniform pieces. Serve immediately with soy sauce, wasabi, and pickled ginger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.